We go up through the park, through Tioga, over to Mammoth, and then usually, you know, spend a night or two in Mammoth and hit the bars and all of that, and then come back up past Mono Lake.
Yeah.
And then down through Sonora and a little town called Strawberry, and then back.
I wandered way back in the mountain. I was searching for fortune. Found a spot where cool water.
This looks damn comfy right here. He's taking a break from his acting job of
hard work.
Yeah.
Hard work. You know?
Oh, now I'm harvest. Oh, now I'm lame. This education ceremony is just about a season of oh, now I'm leather.
Slow drag,
I don't look
I think I got it now. Oh, that was awesome. That's cool.
More and more adventurous, and you would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream.
Woo! Look at that. At this old Coulterville General Store. Probably back in the day, this was the place you'd come. They probably had gas pumps right here. You'd come in and say hi and get something to drink. Coolers back there, get a nice cold drink. The paint is just all peeling off. Corsets? Is that what? Yeah, corsets.
Yeah.
There's a reward. Express was robbed this morning between.
Oh, look at the brickwork up top.
Oh yeah.
There's a place in a piney hollow that no one but me can find. Some Choctaw built it in the hillside, stone by stone. in a simpler time. It's a holy place, my daddy showed me back before.
All right. Philly. Look at that. What? Huh?
What?
You want one too? Or a fork?
Yeah.
Look at that. Isn't that healthy? Salad. We got. What do you get? Like a Reuben or?
Grilled cheese melt with pastrami.
Oh, that looks good. Look at that. Jeremiah. Snickers frozen, dude.
They didn't have to rev them up like that.
That was pretty cool. Saw some power there. And this right here is better. Detour? That detour through the citrus groves? I thought we were gonna go to the ocean.
Yeah, that's where I thought we were going too. I was like, okay, we're going 101.
Hey. Hear that? That's ice, baby.
Ice, baby.
Yep. Cooler.
Who sings that?
I see he's got the Home Improvement Show. Does he still have that?
What?
Ice tea? No, Ice Cube? No. Vanilla ice. There's ice in there somewhere. Vanilla ice.
Ice tea.
Ice tea, Ice Cube.
On a body.
Don't look this way. But we think there's either a dead body in those bags, or Exxon thinks there's a leg or two.
Yeah, I'm thinking positive. It's not a dead body. It's just a leg. Maybe a forearm.
I mean, if you look at it, just look at it right there around the corner right there. They're just kind of, they didn't hide it very well.
Yeah, see the leg. You can see the big coat.
Let's go see. You think it'll move?
No, but it'll wake you.
Oh no, nope, false alarm, we're okay. Just don't pay attention.
On a bike trip, you didn't actually kill the dude.
Okay, this is a pro tip.
Pro tip, always carry cash.
From people that aren't pros. Oh, okay. Was that for last night?
Yeah, it was alright. It was supposed to be 60, but you know my rules.
I was out on a drunk. I was wild enough to shoot at. Too high to hit, too low to try.
You don't like dark beer?
Nope.
Have good intentions, natural born hate.
What is that?
love backsliders whine. Brothers.
Morning, everybody. Day 10. Day 10. Probably be pushing close to 100 again. Right? Exxon's getting all lubed up. I'm gonna be getting lubed
all
up.
my riding makeup on.
Yeah. Yeah, we were gonna go swimming. We got our swimming trunks on and we went to dive in, and we realized there's nothing but sand in there, we think. But we think there's dead bodies in there. If you're interested to know what we packed up and threw in here for a 10-day trip, I'll throw it down in the description. And if Exxon wants to throw it in, he's got some cool shit too.
Mine didn't. I didn't even open my side.
Well, the bag, we got this Nelson rig here. You got the, are these rock straps?
No, it's just a cheap little white bungee.
Okay, super fancy high-tech bungees. But you don't need a ton of stuff. Don't go out and buy a crap load of stuff. Get a cool Harley hat like that one.
That's all you need.
Yeah.
And this one, the only thing I had in there was my vest and all my rain gear. Actually, we did put rain gear on them.
Anyway, here we go. One big push.
Loves me when my baby hugs me, when my baby holds me tight. Man, I'm level and I'm in heaven when my baby loves me right. Well, he's not short, mama, he ain't tall. Man, he's just about right. He's my rock poppin' baby, and I don't mean maybe. He'll do it up right tonight. Well,
Where's that crazy fucker going?
Yeah, there's a spot right in front. Grant's Pass.
Oh, Grant's Pass. We're going to Elmer's.
Pancake here, pancake here. There you go.
That's a big breakfast.
I know. Looks great, huh?
Yeah, it does.
There you go. You're so welcome. Can we get some jelly? I'm sorry. Some jelly. I got it.
Farmer's omelet. It's stuffed with cheese and meat, hash browns, and a pancake. This is when you're desperate. And you told yourself you're going to clean your visors every time when you go to the hotel room, but you don't. So now you got to do it in a restaurant.
Basically, what he's saying is the proper way to clean your visor is on day 10, last day of the trip. You got 2 hours left, and it's like time to clean the visor.
It all adds to the experience. Like butter. So that's not that clean.
You wanted to go for that?
Oh, we're on a bike ride.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
That's why I didn't eat it all, or else I'll fall asleep.
Blue Leader 1 to Blue Leader 2. Taking out the Death Star.
That is what it is, too.
Isn't it?
They got the orange,
Yep.
the orange visor, yeah.
This is pretty clean. Oh, morning.
Good morning. I can't see a thing. You're lucky I didn't come sit in your lap.
Whoa, I don't know. The boys down up I-5. It's gonna be hot. This whole trip gonna be hot. Man, having a clean drop down visor. Oh.
Well, Reverend, please come quick. 'cause I got something to admit. I met a man out in the sticks, a good old miss. He drove a Series 10 Cadillac and wore a cigar on his lip. Don't you know the devil wears a suit and tie? Saw him driving down the 61 in early July. White as the cotton field and sharp as a knife. I heard him howling as he passed me by.
I think I'm going.
And he said,
Hey, thanks for coming with us. It was a great 10 days. I'll tell you, it was a blast going with Exxon on the trip.
You're a six-string, just
There might be a
as
Harley
I am.
All right, let's go.
Will let me learn you someone know a few tunes to make all the girls dance. Don't you know the devil wears a suit and tie? Saw him driving down the 61 in early July. White as the cotton